Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file and they're trying to make a mock-up of a hat for a patch. And they wanted to kind of run around the edge like this one and kind of disappear. Uh, this is it's a little different looking. I would make the perspective. I don't think you can run a perspective on this. And every time nope, see, it's not a, but anyway, what we're going to do, we're going to take this hat and I'm going to make it smaller. Quite a bit small. You can see the bounding box. So there's a bounding box around there, so anything we're wanting to do won't work. So we need to get rid of the bounding box. So we're going to go put a yellow background around it, and you can see the white background. So this thing's less than an inch big, and I'm going to make my nudge factor 1 inch. And I'm going to make a duplicate of that hat and put over here. I'm going to take this one, I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace Clip Art. And what that did, it's going to trace it. I'm going to say okay. Now I could probably use that, but I'm going to do something I always do. I'm going to take a rectangle and I'm going to fill it in with a color, something other than the hat color, which is blue. We'll use blue. And I'm going to fill in that and then nudge it down or over and then fill in that. So I've got a blue hat. So now I can select both these and you can see I've got 2 objects selected. Go up to intersect and intersect it. And now we have a hat. And I'm going to see, you can see this other was a bitmap because it's hiding I'm going to take that hat and make it bigger now. But I still want it to, I've still got to do one more thing. I'm going to take this hat and do the same rectangle trick with a color. Well, my nudge is way off, so I don't like nudging multiple times because then you forget how many times you nudged. So I nudged twice. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to nudge down and I'm going to left click, right click. So I've got an outline of the hat to use. So we'll get rid of this in the rectangle. And I'm going to take my patch. My patch is, I would actually use the envelope tool to make it smaller on this end. But we're gonna run it off the edge of the hat. And I'm going to rotate it a little bit, kind of get it more even with the bottom of the hat. And let's put it like right there. Now I'm going to nudge this down and you can see part of it is outside the hat. So we can do this and we can go to trim. Whoop. Let's try it back on the front. Nope. Let's try, I just did this 2 minutes ago. I don't think intersect will do it. Yeah, it did. Because I nudged, got to be on the arrow keys, it put it looking like it's part of the hat's missing. Now, the only difference is I would, and every time I've been using an envelope tool on this patch, my Corel crashes. I don't know what it is. And I'm going to make it smaller. I'm actually going to make part 2 because this video worked and maybe helped her or them. And then I'm going to make part 2, see if I can't envelope that and make it a little bit better. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.